You see this? This isn't just a camera. This is a time trapped in a box. This little beast, Yashica Mat 124G, was born in 1971. It's been places, seen things, and now it's in my hand. My name is Sarish Mukherjee. I am a fashion photographer from India. Been in this game since 2015. I have shot with almost every brand you can think of. Canon, Sony, Nikon, Fujifilm, many more. Also, I have worked with wedding, street and wildlife. But after all these years, one question kept me up at night. Why do we spend hours trying to make our digital photos look like film? I mean, think about it. Every photographer, no matter the genre, dream of that film look quality. We tweak, we color grade, we chase that cinematic perfections. But something's always missing. So I thought, why fake it when I can shoot the real thing? That's when I stepped into the real world of photography. Not pixels, not raw files, but actual film negatives, where every shot is a risk and every frame is gold. Film photography is the OG. It's where it all started. The look, the texture, the imperfections. That's what makes it beautiful. It's slow, it's precise, and it forces you to think before you shoot. No second chance, no retakes, just you and the frame. 2 years ago, I got obsessed. No, addicted to planted aquarium. Spent 24 hours a day learning everything, and now film photography was done the same to me. The deeper I dig, the more I realize this is what I have been chasing all along. I had an old Zenit 122 lying around, light leaks issues, focus issues, the works, but I threw, screw it, let's roll the dice. I ordered Kodak Vision 500T, the same stock they use in Hollywood films like La La Land. Hit the streets, 2 rolls, no previews, no distractions, just me, my camera and the models. 3 days later, boom, my scans came in, and let me tell you, my mind was blown. The colors, the skin tones, the way the water in the background looked so damn real. This is it. This was it. This was what I had been searching for. That's when I went all in. Picked up a Yashica 124G, a medium format beast. Ordered 5 rolls of expired Ilford HP5 Plus. And planning a full-scale fashion shoot with 5 models and my full team. Shooting film is a different game. You don't just press the button. You load it carefully, you match level, and guess what? You only get 12 frames, 12 shots, no machine gun burst, no instant review. Every frame was to count. I played it safe, matched my exposure with my Sony a7 IV, everything was set. First frame, and then disaster. The results? Not great. My lighting was off. Moved to the second set. Still not what I expected. Some Kodak Vision 3 shots came out stunning, but my Zenit had focus issues, scratches on the negatives. I was learning the hard way. Next day we moved to a heritage property, the place were pure magic, and this time I finally started to see what film could do. When I got my negatives back, I saw the details, medium format films is huge, bigger than my Sony sensor. The texture, the tones is something digital just can't replicate. And that's when I knew I'm addicted. So what's the next? I went crazy, ordered bunch of Portra 160, Gold 200, a Canon US5, Kodak motion picture film stocks. Next project, it's going to be insane.